We found out that through a single court order issued to one company, that's all that we know of, that they were really collecting all of your phone records all of the time. Now people say, well, why is that just a big deal? Think about your credit card statement. The people on the other side of this debate say the Fourth Amendment does not apply to your credit cards at all, to your statement. But if I have your credit card statement, I can tell whether you drink, whether you smoke, whether you gamble, if you do it online, use a credit card. I can tell what books or magazines you read. I can tell who you associate with. I can tell what medications you use. It's none of the government's business. These are private matters. The Sixth Amendment says you get a trial by a jury. In 2011, we passed a bill that allows for indefinite detention. An American citizen, any one of you, could be detained without a trial and apparently sent to Guantanamo Bay. I had this debate with this other Republican senator, and I don't want to mention any names, I don't like to make it personal. He was from Arizona. And so we're having this debate on the floor, and I said, do you mean that an American citizen could be sent to Guantanamo Bay without a trial, without a lawyer? And he said, yes, if they're dangerous. I said, it sort of begs the question, doesn't it? Who gets to decide in America who's dangerous and not? If you don't get a lawyer and you don't get a trial, you're just accused and shipped off to Guantanamo Bay?
Still here.
I'm going to try to end the surveillance of domestic of Americans. I think it's illegal. The Second Appeals Court has ruled with me that the measure is illegal, and the President's own Privacy Commission has said that it's not adding any unique value.
And so do you feel like you're going to be successful in getting that changed, or at least blocking a renewal from going through the Senate?
I don't know yet, but I'm going to do everything in my power to stop it. I think there are a lot of states that we're not going to win until we become a more diverse party. So I'm going to reach out not only to people of different races, but also working class people as well, because we have to have a bigger, broader breadth of folks that join our party if we want to win.
And I mean, how can you reach out to those folks? What do you feel like they're not hearing from maybe some of the other GOP candidates?
Well, I've been talking for several years now about criminal justice reform. I think some of our laws and the way we apply our laws have been unfair to some of our minorities. I also think that we need to have some more equal opportunity as far as jobs go. And so I've offered a tax plan that reduce taxes in our big cities and allow more money to go back into impoverished areas.